Guys, we at it again. You already know. Let's see what's going on the street today. Beat all of this traffic. Yeah, be so much traffic outside. It's crazy in them time, you know. Rush hour time. Try to get off of this road before all of this traffic gets changed. Sun a glare so much ahead of me, so I just get out some side views. Right now, street are full up with traffic already, look. You see that? It takes no time. Yo, you see all that salt on the car? And no snow no fall. Judgment. Still wait and see if it does snow. You think it does snow? YouTube, I'm about to be vlogging every day now. No joke to the thing. Need to go pick up some lunch. Pick up some lunch and then I'll probably just go link to charge them over one studio, over one part, run out one place, run out one part. Hey, look at the Puerto Rican flag up there, big. You see that? Big up Puerto Ricans, man. You see the flag up there? But equal up there, you know. Yeah, that is it. Big up Puerto Rico. Big up Dominica. Big up all the Spanish countries. Big up every country in the world, man. That is it. So we spread the love, right? Yo, the road just quiet a while ago, right? Yo, it is just so quiet. And no, it's just traffic like crazy. But as long as it not stop me from getting me to go. Yo, every day I come out that door, man. I need to get some AAA batteries, right? I can't remember. So you are going now, so I forward up the road up the reaching me have a remote and I work. And then the worst battery them I will not stop make AAA battery bro, because people can never have them or get them. AA batteries good for use. More easier to get them. 90s. East 94th. Yeah. Big up to the 90s. Yeah man, 90s side at all, you know. Hey, you see the barber shop over there, so them say walk-ins welcome. Ball with it. Is it? Yo, I pray say boy, this year I want to link up with some YouTuber. See me, I got link up with Jersey them. No, see what I go on. And do an epic vlog, you see me? I got link it dog them and see what I go on. Link up with the dog them man. Right now too cold bro, man need to dip on a river and cook some food or something like that, you see it? Too cold bro. So you go still have to hunt the money in the cold. Make it even worse. You know what I mean? That's just the thing. If you know, you know. Intersection, yo. A big full place over there, sir. We call it a big full place, guys. It come like say boy, every time a gas station go over there, so brother. I don't know what going on, bro. I don't know, people never want to go get gas over there. Like a man with a rider run out of gas before him go over there. I don't know. Come like a cemetery them need to make over there. I want to go on Pan Kings Highway. Yo! Jay! Top, you know. No business. I play a couple places, you know. I don't know where wrong with them spot there. You know. You ever notice some place, no matter what kind of business them put there, it's just like you know work. None at all, bro. Like you have a car dealership place somewhere up the road up there, so I got a use it. Bro. That the place there. We don't if them sell on car from over there. They always have to lock down and shit down and the next man come back with the same business and same thing again. I feel one day if I the same bridge and there nothing to do. And when him bored him just put a couple car out there man and just say, oh yeah, me have his summer. And by winter I'm lock him, you know. Make it dark. Car wash. Hey, stop. Right now, I have a big surprise to somebody in India. I'm not lie still no more while America get boring and I know where people think say it isn't. You know see that place here? Look here. Look on that blood deep, cold boring place here. You sure you want there, sir? You're sure? You're sure say this is what you want. I see if you was a vibesy person and you like your vibes thing. Bro, shit get boring dog. Tell her bro, especially when I used to hold up a party them and you flexing and you ray and it take and there so. You know what that got there. So me always say still there man want have fun dog, make some money, you see. I just say fun thing, if I don't make no money, I don't see how possible I should have no fun. I just sitting I ask me across the light one change and I have to wait dog. And I may change the light. There's such man him ready to drive out like as him see my car. How bro? Go along here hold it. You have to make people cross in the umbre. Them people don't make people cross in it, you see me? Pedestrian have to right in the umbre. This is what I don't understand, right? When I see people and them act like them never sit the test, although enough people never sit the test still, cause enough man work off of links done. Fucked up. Remember, see your links will get you fucked up because you don't know nothing about the road code. You just a fly car down the road. Can't go with it. Ask yourself. I don't like Brooklyn half the time, yeah, man. I always like that car there, and it remind me of my brethren car. Yo. It's like this. Brooklyn half the time, yeah, man, and it just boring, no blood clot, and the next time when nice, you fuck. One of the nicest places to be, man, I lie to you. Brooklyn half the time, you hear? But nowhere no nice like this. Nowhere. You can't think of no nice like around here. Then the next time, it's like this. See, like you see nobody that I drive with it. Yeah, it just get boring, dog. You see me? You have to just find a girl and go lock down with, bro. That can tell you, you better find one. Them out here enough. Oh, them active out there. Yeah, let me tell you about it. Oh, yeah, man, big man thing. Need to turn off on the street, because we never need to make our light and fuck yeah, no, bro. Alright, next light. I see my overdo it, you know, wanna see it, right? Shit. Right now. So I say I go look my lunch here now, bro. So I'm gonna find a restaurant somewhere to buy some food, cause you know I drive around and I don't care hungry like this, dog. That don't make it. What hungry I got that you pick for me, bro? Too much restaurant there, so if you go below teeth, I drive around hungry, dog, and carry off gas and me hungry. That don't make it, dog. Sunlight, sun glare. I'm going up in the sky there. Girl, them ready. The girl, them ready.